Tired of payment roadblocks stopping you from selling your amazing creations on Etsy? Let's dive into a workaround to connect your Etsy shop to Payoneer, even if a direct connection through Plaid isn't available. First, log into your Etsy account and navigate to Shop Manager. Next, click on Finances and then select Payment Settings. Here, you'll see different payment options. Etsy typically requires a bank account for direct deposits, but since we're using Payoneer, we'll need a workaround. Now, log into your Payoneer account. We need to obtain your U.S. payment service details, specifically your U.S. bank account number and routing number provided by Payoneer. This might be labeled as a receiving account for United States dollar. Carefully copy down the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy, as any mistake will cause issues. Go back to your Etsy payment settings, enter the U.S. bank account and routing number from your Payoneer U.S. payment service into the designated fields. Even though Plaid isn't directly involved here, this method uses your Payoneer account as a virtual U.S. bank account. Etsy may ask you to verify the account with a small test deposit. Keep an eye on your Payoneer account for these deposits, which usually arrive within a few business days. Once you've verified the test deposits, your Etsy shop should be connected to Payoneer, allowing you to receive your earnings. Now get out there and start selling.